Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now at Voice Savvy, we want to equip and empower you with the voice health and mindset tools to reach your highest singing potential. Now when it comes to the voice, we're dealing with one of the most unique instruments in the world. The relationship that we have with the voice is unlike any other instrument because we can't separate ourselves from our instrument. Other instruments can be safely stored away once we've finished using them, but this is not the case with the voice. The voice is part of our body, it's part of who we are, and because of this, our lifestyle choices can either have a negative or positive impact on our voices, and we want it to have a positive impact. But yeah, this is why we really need to take care of our voice health and mindset, not just the voice, because our health and our mindset is going to impact the voice. So with that being said, today we're just going to be quickly talking about the benefits of movement. Now I know my journey with movement has massively helped in my life when I was going through a really hard time a few years ago, dealing with a lot of stress and a lot of anxiety, and just working out completely changed my life for the better. Exercising really helps me to de-stress. It helps me to stay in a good place mentally. Plus, I just love the discipline of it because it really overflows into every other area of my life. So that's my experience with movement and working out, and that's how I found it's helped me. But let's just talk about the overall benefits it can have on your life. So getting into the habit of movement is very beneficial for us as human beings, as we were meant to move. People who are more physically active are generally happier, have better relationships, have more meaning in life, and they are less likely to feel depressed and lonely. This is big. You know, when it comes to movement, you don't have to do anything crazy. It can just be as simple as going for a regular walk and just really getting your heart rate up a little bit. Movement affects our brain and our mental health, and when we're physically active, it puts us in a state where we want to be the best versions of ourselves. It really gives us hope and optimism. And if you're regularly active, exercise really just helps you to have a different brain and nervous system to people who don't exercise, who don't work out, who don't move. Your brain and nervous system from working out will be more sensitive to pleasure and more resilient to stress. Ultimately, we thrive when we're active. Our brain works best when it's in an active body. So move, go for regular walks, run, dance, work out, do whatever works for you, but move. If you're new to this channel and you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. Also, as I mentioned, we have our app, and we're all about equipping you with the voice, health, and mindset tools to really help you reach your highest singing potential. You can download our app on the App Store and Google Play, and it is free. Try our free 7-day voice health and mindset challenge, where you'll be given daily tasks and daily workouts to really just help you improve your overall life, and just building those disciplines and those habits to really help you succeed. But that's pretty much it from me. I'm going to the gym, so I will see you soon. Peace out.